In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S26 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can resize icons. First of all, you need to pinch your display, and this way get access to settings at the bottom right corner. Now operate this slider under App Size on Home and App Screen to adjust it. And when you're ready, just go back. So when I do that, as you can see, size of my icons has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!